Before anything else, Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. This episode is brought to you by PCBWay, my trusted quality PCB manufacturer for project making. For today's video, we are going to display a Happy Mother's Day to MAX7219. To start, we need a MAX7219, an ESP8266, and a jumper wires. Next, we are going to cut the wires to our desired length. After that, we are going to solder the wire going to the ESP8266. And then, using double-sided tape, we are going to stick the ESP8266 to the back of the MAX7219. Let's go to the coding part. I connected the USB cable from my computer to the ESP8266 board to upload the Arduino code, which by the way you can download by clicking the beacon stick in my bio. After that, it will direct you to all my social media links, and in there you can see my GitHub. Click it and download displaying Happy Mother's Day to MAX7219. Everything you need is in the file package. This includes the wiring diagram and the Arduino code. After that, power up your project using a power brick. After powering it up, it will display the IP address that you are going to put in your web browser. In my case, it is 192.168.18.111. And there you have it! You have successfully displayed the Happy Mother's Day text on the MAX7219 display. And as always, keep learning and have fun. Bye!